Hello, my name is Kyle and I am one of the SEO experts here at ProfitWorks. In this screencast, I'm going to be taking you through how our article on how Nike became successful and the leader in the sports product market has become so successful and why it's a high quality article. So right off the top here, you can tell that this is a pretty thorough article. This is one that we wrote, which took a significant amount of time, but it's definitely paid off in regards to how much traffic we get and how many leads we actually get through people who have visited this page as well. Now, if we were to take a brief overview of this page, some of the things that probably help to make it a more successful page and keep people coming back to it would be the amount of pictures that we've placed within here. It's not super text heavy, but there's definitely enough text in there to get across the point that people are looking for. Another thing that you'd quickly notice is the number of videos that we have embedded into the page. Studies have actually shown that having more videos embedded into your article helps it to rank higher on Google. So this is definitely something that you'll want to do if it makes sense for your article. There's no point in placing any videos or any other content really into your article that doesn't help to answer the user's question. Always remember, when it comes to articles, blogs, any content that you write on your website, content is king. So if you're doing well by the user, then your article is likely to do fairly well as well. Another thing to note in this article is that it contains a ton of links, very relevant links to the user. These are both internal, so pointed back to other pages on our website that might be helpful, and external, pointing to other pages outside of our website that would be helpful to the user as well. You'll also note on this page we have different ways of relaying information to people. So rather than them just having to read text the entire time, there are also graphs in this article and infographics that kind of help the casual browser to get an idea of, why Nike's marketing has been so successful without having to read all the in-depth text that we have on this page. So all of these things combined together with some deep, insightful text and the SEO optimization skills that we possess, and you've got yourself a high quality article that's going to rank well on Google. And in fact, this article actually brings in over 6,000 visits a month to our website, which is fantastic. Hopefully this video was able to help you learn a little bit more about how you can make your articles more effective and more successful at drawing in traffic. If you have any other questions, you can head to our website at profitworks.ca. That's profitworks.ca to learn more. On our website, you'll find a ton of different resources, from podcasts to more screencasts such as this one, and articles and blogs. All of this stuff to help you learn more about the digital marketing world and what you can do on your website to help improve your traffic and the amount of leads that you're getting through your website. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.